Hello dear students, today we'll talk about the formation of cis-trans isomers. Since cis-trans isomerism is shown by double bonded systems or rings, therefore double bonded systems or cis-trans isomers can be obtained from controlled reduction of alkynes. This is the equation. Now, whether the isomer formed is cis or it's trans, it is decided by the type of reducing agent used. Now we have following types of reducing agents that include: number one is Lindlar's catalyst, that is hydrogen in the presence of palladium supported on BaSO4. Instead of BaSO4 you can also use calcium carbonate. This gives you cis isomer. Next is lithium or sodium in liquid ammonia. The reaction is called as Birch reduction. This gives you a trans isomer. And number third is B2H6, that is diborane. This gives you a cis isomer again. While the fourth one is nickel boride, that is P2 catalyst. It also gives you a cis isomer. Now from the following, it's clear that it's only the metals in liquid ammonia that gives you a trans isomer, while all others, that's first, third and fourth, gives you a cis isomer. This is shown as, so we have the alkyne over here. We have so many reducing agents from one by one, and Lindlar's catalyst gives you cis, metals in ammonia gives you trans, while as B2H6 and nickel boride gives you cis isomer again. Thanks for watching. Like और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा.